I don't know where this came from. I actually don't even know the first couple I started doing this on. But
the way you're talking is like you're like fucking.
Oh, it sounds
like,
really bad. Yeah,
I'm doing something on a couple. Like what?
No, it's not. It's proper. It's proper. All right. We're all about proper shit.
You're professional.
Yeah, professional.
All right.
Fucking none of this weird shit.
Yeah.
So basically, I don't know how it happened, but I'm gonna label this technique. I should give it a name. I should give it a formal name.
Go on.
Well, we're talking about it as a point. We should. I'm just gonna label it as sex noises, just generally speaking.
It's a very creative name.
Yeah.
I was expecting a little bit more.
Sorry. I was thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, that was very anticlimactic.
Sure.
But I'm gonna label it sex noises because it starts off with me going, yeah.
And the brides that have shown with him know exactly what he's talking about.
I can promise you right now, hopefully most of these brides are going, we know exactly what it is.
Yeah.
Fuck, this guy is so weird. But if I made you laugh, then obviously did something. Did it not? I mean,
sure. Whatever makes you sleep at night.
So basically, it'll start off with me going, oh, yeah. But
imagine someone just walking in, someone listening to this podcast, and then the parent walk in, just right when you say, oh, yeah.
I think I remember where I saw this. It was a guy on TikTok or Reels or whatever at the supermarket going up to people in their ear and going,
oh, yes.
And he literally be like,
oh, makes sense now. Yeah.
Like, just like
really awkward.
Shit, really weird. Yeah. And then some random people turn around and be like, like, and they're startled and stuff, right?
Yeah.
So I'm like probably this distance from, say, the couple, maybe a little bit further, and it's quiet.
You like to get up and close.
Yeah, I'm very close to the action.
Make couples uncomfortable.
Yeah. 16 millimeter.
Yeah.
For any non-photographers knowing what that means, don't worry about it. But basically, photographers, you know what it means.
Yeah.
All up right in their face. Basically, this distance, and everyone's silent. You know, the scenery that we're at's probably silent.
Yeah.
The couple of,
especially when you do those like really close, up close, like no, you know when you do those really up close shots of the mouth and stuff, where you like right in there.
Oh, right.
I've seen you do this shit.
Do that shit. Yeah,
when you're literally right up in there.
Yeah. Like I get, but when I do it, everyone's silent, and it's like
hits better.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. And how does this normally come off? Does this usually work or?
I don't know, and I don't think anyone's going to ever give me genuine feedback.
Yeah,
like no one will ever tell me.
They could just be laughing in the moment, but in the head they're thinking like,
they could be laughing at me or with me. Yeah. But look, my objective there is to get the shot.
Yeah.
So if they're laughing, which 9 times out of 10 they hopefully do, I get the shot.
Yeah.
And I feel like I'm happy to make myself look like an idiot with
clearly
have zero dignity.
Yeah.
But if it gets the shot, it gets the shot.
It gets the shot.
Then it progresses from there. Like it goes a little bit further. Like then I start licking my lips and I'm like,
I really feel sorry for the people that are listening to this on audio.
Do you reckon this audio is like? Do you reckon this audio is like ASMR?
Yeah, pretty much. All right, calm down.
All right, sorry. But basically, I start making a bit more noises. Then it goes into like, right there. Yeah. And I start talking like this. I can't take you seriously.
Shit so many times that like, you know.
But don't give me shit for it because now you do it too. Now
I don't do it. No. I do not.
Swear to God.
I never do.
Swear to Jesus.
Right there. I never do that shit. I never do that shit. Right?
I'm pretty confident, viewers, that Manav has also been adopting his variation of this.
No.
And you start literally going to brides. You're like, oh, think of your partner. Yeah. And you reference the groom's name. I know you have. I don't agree. I have never taken part in this kind of yourself. You
this type of
definitely
behavior.
have.
I don't know what this guy's talking about. All right. But basically, this is just his shenanigans. And anyone that's like shot with him, they know.
You know what's weird? Because we shoot a lot with each other, and that's fine. But I've done this shit for people that I've never shot with, and they actually think something's wrong.
I'm not surprised, bro.
Like they'll look at me, and they won't expect it.
Yeah.
They'd be like, the fuck did you just do? and I realize that, oh shit, it's not Manav, it's somebody else. And it catches me off surprise because I'm like, oh bro, this is
so
bad.
Sorry, man.
This and with zero context.
Look, the most I've done is more like, just whisper something into your partner's ear when I'm taking the shot.
Yeah.
And just make sure it's like PG rated, stuff like that.
Yeah,
right?
Yeah.
I do not go down to your levels, bro. That is just some next level shit, right?
Look, safe to say,
when okay, think about this. Forget about the couple. When I'm shooting with you, I'm embarrassed.